Check out my brand new phone. I think it has a scratch on it. So what I have here is a Nokia N93. This used to be my brother's phone back in the day. Since it's a bit hard to use it now to make a phone call in this condition, I'm going to restore it. Like my soul, this phone used to be black, but as you can see, the whole housing is pretty much worn out and very scratched. I looked everywhere on the internet for a complete black case, but I could not find any. The only complete new housing I could find is this silver one. I don't think it's original, but it looks quite similar to the real thing, and I think it will fit nicely. More importantly, it's a complete case, and the change of color from black to silver will be welcomed. But enough talk, let's play the music and assemble this. I hope I have all the screws. Ta-da! Look at the logo! Oh my god, it's alive! Ha! I can't believe it. It's still working. I have to admit I also bought a new battery. Let me set the time and date. And here we are. I was always fascinated by the old Nokia phones design, especially the ones with sliders and hinges. Actually, from 2004 until 2014, my brother and I only had Nokia phones. Well, it tells me it needs a memory card. This was one of the few phones with optical zoom back in the day. I'm not sure if you can see, but the lenses are actually moving inside. Well, maybe not. You have to believe me. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos. Bye!